So the difference between someone who is able to generate a lot of money running Facebook ads and someone who is not able to generate any money, or maybe lesser money than the other person, is only a matter of who is willing to spend the most money, who's willing to spend the most money to generate leads, who's willing to spend the most money to acquire a customer. And this video, I want to share with you some real life example of how this campaign has evolved over time, where we're able to bring down the cost of lead generation from about $24, $25 down to $6 to $7 to $8 basically. So let me give you a little bit of background on this campaign that I'm about to share with you. So with the last campaign that we ran with the last launch, this client had a 5x return on ad spend. We spent about $29,000 and it made north of $100,000, and that is basically a 5x ROI, right? But this campaign that we ran the last time, you can see the result here. We're able to generate leads for about 27, 24, 23 across different ad sets of warm, cold, and lookalike audiences. And if you look at the same campaign that we're running right now, we're running the same campaign, we're running the same audience to the same offer, and this campaign is significantly better. It's doing significantly better than the last campaign. As you can see right here, this is the best performing ad set. We're getting leads for $6. That is beautiful. That is awesome. And what this does to the overall campaign is that the last time that we're able to run this campaign, like I said, we had a 5x ROI generating leads for $27, $28. And that means that now that we're cutting down the cost per lead acquisition by more than half, then we might expect that this campaign is going to do significantly better. This launch is going to do significantly better, between anywhere from 7 to 10x ROI. So that is what happens when you are running any campaign with Facebook ads, Instagram ads, any campaign, any platform at all that you're using. It doesn't matter what it is. The nature of campaigns are the same. If you're able to cut your cost per lead generation by half, your overall bottom line is going to go up by half. So this is a really good example, because what we've done in this campaign is to just change a few things. Again, like I said, we're running the audience to the same offer, to the same landing page. We are running to the same audience, and we're basically running the same budget that we ran the last time. But what is it that we did that allowed us to cut down this cost per lead acquisition by almost triple? And what I found is that we changed significantly. We saw what worked the last time and what didn't work, and we took the things that worked and we replicated that and we improved upon it. So what worked the last time was certain types of ad creatives were working better than certain ad creatives, and we took those ad creatives that performed better and we improved upon that. So that is exactly what we've done. If you look at this ads right here, so what happened was the last time I found that inside of this account, the ad creatives that add the pink color, there's something about the pink color. I can tell you more than that, but the pink color really resonated with this audience, and the ones that didn't have the pink color were just like performing normally, right? And I made this as, I took note of this, and I told the client, what if we created more of these ad creatives that had the pink color, and we just tested again, and we did again and again and again, and it started performing. So this time we just made sure that every ad creative that we made at the pink color, so that really improved our click-through rates greatly, as you can see right here. Let me go back to this campaign and show you what that means. So right now, as you can see, for the last campaign, we had our cost per link click from anywhere from $4.90 to $5.56. But right now we're seeing our cost per click from $3 to $5. There's still some that had a $5 cost per click. And if you look at the link click-through rate here, we were having 0.5, 0.6 and 1.32. But if you look at, this link click-through rate, we had 1.03, 1.42. So that is a really good, a really good indication that something is really changing with what we're doing. In fact, those slight numbers, those slight changes between click-through rate and cost per click, it tells you that it has a lot to do. It has a very big impact on the overall campaign. So if you are running ads for your business, for your coach, your consultant, thinking about running Facebook ads, this are some of the things that you should be looking at. At the end of the day, marketing is all about testing your creatives, creatives, testing your ad copy, testing your audiences and seeing exactly what worked. I mean, for the last campaign, we tried some audiences. I mean, that didn't really work really well. We were not doing it again this time. We just, completely changed course, and we looked at the audiences that were giving us, the most number of leads the last time. As you can see right here, we had this, give us, 435 leads, 97, 144. So when I was setting up this campaign for this client this time, all I had to do was go back to the campaigns that already worked, proven to give us a lot of leads, and I duplicated that into the new campaign, and we improved upon the creatives, the ad copy, and just doubled down on what was really working. So if you are planning to run Facebook ads for your business, this is some of the things that you should be looking at. Your ad copy, your ad creatives. Marketing is all about testing at the end of the day. If you're not testing enough, then you will not get the best results. So always make sure you're testing. You have to remove all of emotions away from all of these things. If you spend time on a certain type of ad copy or ad creative and you feel like it should be working and it's not working, you just have to reverse course, because that is the best way to guarantee that in the long run you're going to make your money back. So if you're looking for help or guidance on how to set this up, maybe you're a course creator, you're an online creator looking to set up Facebook ads, Instagram ads, any type of ads at all, reach out to me, leave a comments down in the comment section, or you can send me an email at ifdanieldid@gmail.com. Anyways, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.